What's up? What's up, boy? Yeah. What's up, bro? Hey, traffic, boy. How you doing?
As I was cutting up, bro, I feel so
dumbass motherfucker.
I almost hit her.
You almost hit her.
I didn't even try to go like this. Sorry.
always the main character. Where are you going? What the fuck? Record this, man. It's green. It's green. It's green. What are I'm about to get back in the car, bro. You did it. Got an M2. Shit. Blessing. Come on, YBF. We do everything, man. We don't just do the cars.
Oh, that shit's sharp. Need some more.
Sheesh. Is this bro we just seen?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. He had TEs on. Shit. What you
got
clutching?
in there?
Ooh, shit.
Pull it out. He pulling out.
Don't show it until you blast it. Lamborghini. Pablo Walk.
Pablo Walk, man. This is just a day in the life of YBF.
Cars out.
We got
Shout out Norcalracing, man. Supra. Cam. Check his
camp.
What the hell? Good. Other bros is better. The carbon hood though. What are you doing, dude?
I got La Jafita. I'm getting drunk. Double shot.
Double shot. Don't let him get tipsy. Hey.
Yo, I'm trying to interview this guy whoever's in here. Fenders on that.
This shit.
The front and back. Technically.
I'm about to dance.
Brody.
I'm not a racer.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Got his seats, right?
Come on, man.
Seats, not a racer. Because I rode.
My guy racing. Yeah. Like I bought it the first day. I had an intake down my band. And then lock in.
Boy, it is hot as fuck. Isaac sold car, dude. So I came back, he busted down.
What's that?
What?
Nacho C-Stag, bro?
He busted down.
They ain't gon' take it. Give a couple niggas pass them niggas back. Put the trap in your shit. I done been in so many woods.
food, bro.
She busting down Laos. Busting down the nachos.
Got the seasick nachos.
Maki's done, dude. Go car, bro.
Hi, man, I'm in the other parking lot.
Ah.
Like, I know you. Can I get a picture of you? It's good for sure.
Bring out today.
Oh shit!
What you bring out today?
GT Bonnet.
Oh shit.
That's your pet. It's hers. Oh shit.
Hell yeah, go crazy, brother.
Enjoy the meat though. For sure. What y'all over there eating?
Some Filipino food. There's hella booths over there. Like hella food.
I thought y'all was barbecuing or some shit. I'm like, bro. Nah, down there.
Jackie.
It's the janky nigga. Hey. Where they at? Where they at? Hey, the motherfucking janky. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, there's the rollers. Cops. Hey, cops.
Ooh, shit.
Some niggas know I'ma come. Give a fuck by Instagram, man. Real life niggas buns. If I saw you out of traffic, niggas probably a run. Late night.
Talk for the Mustang boys. Proud killer.
Like my nephew, young Pharaoh, big time, bro. And if them fuckers outside, then we sliding, bro. I swear to God, man, them niggas.
Behind? Just a couple of us. Okay.
We have relations. I ain't even calling.
That shirt, Matty.
Thanks, man. It's from Japan.
You know what I'm saying?
From that land.
From that land.